Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get invite code for Sora 2 for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that Sora 2 now has become a trend and a lot of people try to get invite code for accessing Sora 2. And in this tutorial guys, I'm going to show you one of the methods that you can try to get invite code for Sora 2. So guys, if you want to get invite code, I recommend you to join OpenAI Discord server. You can go to Google Chrome and you're going to search OpenAI Discord server and then open it. Then you can join the Discord server, and I have already joined this server. So I'm just going to open up the server guys, and after you have already joined the OpenAI Discord server, you need to do the verification to get invite code. You will have a chance to get the invite code for free if they already verified your account. So you need to get verification from Sora 2. Okay, you can go to OpenAI verification, then you can verify with OpenAI. And remember that you need to be verified first to have a chance to get the the invite code. Okay, and you can click on visit site and you need to verify it with your email. I'm going to start verification, and I have already started the verification guys, and I just need to wait for the verification. Okay, and you need to wait for about 24 hours to get the verification. Click on authorize. Okay, and wait, it's still loading. Again, here you need to continue with your account, and I'm gonna continue it with my Google account. Okay, and as you can see that I still need to wait. And yeah, after you get verification from Discord server, OpenAI Discord server, you will have chance or opportunity to get invite code for free. And I'm going to show you the Discord server, the OpenAI Discord server. Okay, this one guys. And after you get the verification, you will see codes or invite codes channel on the server. Okay guys, and that's how we can get invite code for Sora 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.